In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments in USD on Stripe. Whether you're new to Stripe or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're there, you will see a sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have a Stripe account, you'll need to create one, but for today's purposes, we're assuming you already have an account set up. Next, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. It's always a good idea to ensure your login credentials are up to date and secure, using a password manager if necessary. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard homepage. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a menu. From here, you need to click on Settings, which is usually located towards the bottom of the menu. The settings page is where you can adjust all the key aspects of your Stripe account, so it's an essential step in our process today. Now, under Account Settings, you'll find an option labeled Business. Click on that. This is where you can manage various settings related to your business, but today we're focusing on receiving payments in USD. Next, look for the Bank Accounts and Currencies option and click on it. This is where you'll manage the different currencies your Stripe account can accept and eventually pay out in. To start receiving payments in USD, you need to manage your currencies. So, find and click on Manage Currencies. Here you'll see a list of currencies. You're going to scroll through and select USD, or you might even have a search bar to make this step simpler. This selection is crucial for making sure payments in USD are received correctly. Once you've selected USD, you need to add a bank account that will handle these USD transactions. For this, click on the Add a Bank Account button, follow the prompts to enter your bank details. Remember to double check the information you input here to avoid any issues with receiving payments later. You might need your bank's routing number and account number, so having those handy is a good idea. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your Stripe account is now equipped to receive payments in USD. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and until next time, happy Stripe managing.